It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just.
Hey guys, so the unit that I'm reviewing today is this unit right here, and it's from Sensationnel, and it's part of their Vice collection, and I have it in the style Vice Unit 13. It comes with baby hair, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It is pre-plugged, and it shows you the special colors. And then on the back it tells you how to care for it, and you can find it online for like $35, depends on where you purchase it from. And it comes with your standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And this unit, I would say that it is big hair associated to be fit to be safe. You can probably finagle it, but it might be squeezing your hair. But she sheds a lot. She sheds a lot, and she is long. Like, she is stopping me by my waist, like on my waist, and I'm 5'4" for reference, so she is pretty long. So shedding and tangling, that's expected because it's synthetic. Even though it's 100% premium fiber synthetic, it's still synthetic, so it's definitely gonna shed, and it's definitely gonna tangle, especially with it being this long. Okay, do you see that? She is glueless. I did not glue her down. It was very easy to melt. Well, I didn't melt it, but I used this tinting spray by Red, Kiss by Red. I used that to put in the part just to make it blend with my complexion, which was not hard to do. But she's giving like silk press, because she has a very silky texture. It's like I did my flat iron, some silk press, and just got my hair laid. Okay, that's the vibe she's giving. And the lace is ear to ear, and she's very, you know, easy to wear. And why not? I don't know, I don't have anything else to say about her. She's very easy, simple. You know, you just plop it on, cut the lace. You know, if you want to lay it down, you want to glue it down, you can do all of that, but you don't have to if you don't want to, like I did. But other than the shedding and the tangling, I would give her a 7.5 out of 10. Down the line, you definitely have to cut it. I kind of want to cut it. Should I cut it? I haven't cut a unit in a long time. There was a period where I was just scissors happy. I was just like cutting and cutting and cutting. But I kind of want to cut her. Imagine her being this length. At least maybe this length. I think she looks banging. But we're not going to cut it today. We're just going to let her be. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Love Your Crowns. and make sure you have the post notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And let me know what you think about Vice Unit 13 in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.